welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skim Sam from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. Clement stumbles and almost falls on his boss during a meeting. Evelyn plot to achieve a goal of dethroning Alfred. A waiter recommended by Lehasa fumbles during a crucial interview on Tuesday. A confrontation between Lehasa and Clement reveals a new unexpected side of Clement. Evelyn set a trap for Alfred as her scheme unfolds. Mapitsi anxiously await a meeting with Tibos and their lawyers on Wednesday. Kwezikazi realizes that parting ways with Clement may not be as easy as she thought. Mapitsi comes to Tipo's rescue. Pex receives a hero's welcome on his first day of school on Thursday. Clement's confidence turns to panic when Kwezikazi makes a move that could end everything. Jacob's CV lands on Alfred's desk. Mapitsi struggled to find the right moment to tell Pitsi the truth on Friday. Clement's world spins out of control after a disastrous hearing at Kwezi Beauty. Lizzie grapples with unsettling reality that could alter the course of her life. Pex dismisses Lewatle's peace offering. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.